Welcome to our detailed comparison of two widely used marketing automation tools, GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels. Let's begin with a general overview. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing solution, while ClickFunnels is primarily built as a sales funnel creation tool. Both platforms serve businesses effectively, but their methods and feature sets vary in multiple ways. Starting with the interface, GoHighLevel offers a clean and user-friendly layout that's easy to move around in. In contrast, ClickFunnels has a more layered interface, though it allows for deeper customization. Regarding pricing, GoHighLevel keeps things straightforward with two plan options. ClickFunnels, however, provides 3 tiers, each with its own set of features and capabilities. Looking at customer support, both platforms perform well. GoHighLevel offers phone assistance along with an engaged online community. ClickFunnels, meanwhile, provides a detailed knowledge base and email support. For email marketing, GoHighLevel includes powerful automation, segmentation, and tracking tools. ClickFunnels focuses less on email, offering only basic functionality while prioritizing funnel creation. When discussing CRM integrations, GoHighLevel connects with a wide range of popular CRM systems. ClickFunnels, by comparison, supports only a limited number of integrations. In landing page design, ClickFunnels stands out with its drag-and-drop builder and extensive template library. GoHighLevel also includes a capable page builder, though it emphasizes speed and simplicity over complexity. For funnel creation, ClickFunnels is highly specialized, offering numerous templates and detailed customization options. GoHighLevel supports funnel building as well, but with less depth than ClickFunnels. In terms of analytics, GoHighLevel delivers detailed reports and insights to optimize campaigns. ClickFunnels includes analytics too, but they are less comprehensive. For e-commerce, GoHighLevel offers features like store creation and product management. ClickFunnels instead focuses on building high-converting funnels for selling products rather than acting as a full e-commerce system. When it comes to membership sites, ClickFunnels excels by enabling structured content delivery through membership funnels. GoHighLevel does not currently provide an equivalent feature. In automation, GoHighLevel stands out with advanced workflows, triggers, and actions. ClickFunnels is more limited in automation capabilities. For agency use, GoHighLevel is built with agencies in mind, offering white-label options and multi-account management. ClickFunnels lacks these agency-focused features. In A/B testing, both platforms support it, but ClickFunnels offers more advanced testing tools and analytics. For social media connections, GoHighLevel integrates with most major platforms, while ClickFunnels has fewer integration options. Both platforms are mobile-friendly, but GoHighLevel also provides a dedicated mobile app, which ClickFunnels does not. In training resources, ClickFunnels offers extensive courses and tutorials, including its well-known One Funnel Away challenge. GoHighLevel provides thorough documentation and a supportive user community instead. Regarding SEO, GoHighLevel includes basic optimization tools. ClickFunnels does not emphasize SEO, as its main focus is funnel performance. For webinars, ClickFunnels stands out by supporting both live and automated sessions. GoHighLevel does not include this feature. In SMS marketing, GoHighLevel offers strong tools with automation and segmentation. ClickFunnels does not support SMS campaigns. For payment processing, both platforms integrate with major gateways. However, GoHighLevel also includes its own built-in payment solution. Looking at reviews, both platforms are highly rated. Users of GoHighLevel often highlight its all-in-one capabilities, while ClickFunnels users value its funnel-building strength. In ease of use, GoHighLevel is generally simpler and more beginner-friendly. ClickFunnels, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve due to its advanced features. For affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels excels with a robust affiliate system. GoHighLevel does not provide a comparable option. In API functionality, GoHighLevel offers strong capabilities for advanced integrations. ClickFunnels provides more limited API access. Regarding uptime and reliability, both platforms perform consistently well. However, GoHighLevel includes a service level agreement, SLA, while ClickFunnels does not. In terms of overall value, GoHighLevel delivers a wide range of tools at a competitive price. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, justifies its higher cost with specialized funnel-building features for certain users. That wraps up our comparison of GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels. We hope you found this breakdown useful. If it helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more comparisons.